This is my mom. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Meeting you is the good.
Oh, right back at ya.
Dude, that's my mom.
What is this? Am I supposed to be impressed?
I got this.
Wait for backup. I'll send Alpha Team.
I don't need a team. I'm me.
Hey, don't go getting any ideas about my girl.
Not to worry. Gwen is only attractive by human standards. It's true. I've seen Rook's homeworld. No comparison.
I am sitting right here.
So to him, Gwen's like what? An orangutan with glasses?
Just like, hey, are you okay?
Alright, listen, Omnitrix. I don't want goop. I don't want stink fly. Just give me something I can use to diffuse this thing so we can all get on with our lives.
For over a decade, that whelp has prevented me from arming a legion of Omnitrix-clad minions to conquer the universe.
You've been going after him for a decade? Seems like that whelp is a bit too much for you to handle.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Whatever, Bullfrag is awesome.
I knew it was you as soon as you showed up.
I know, but I couldn't risk the incursions finding out I was back on Earth. That's why I couldn't say nothing until I knew we were in the clear.
Oh, you better believe it. My daddy will fry you alive for coming back. And the rest of this miserable planet.
Of course, you're kind of mixed up about me, aren't you? It's exciting, going against what Daddy says, huh?
What? Well,
Now that I'm an incursion at Taya, I'm seeing you in a whole new way.
which way, how, say what?
You're special. Those big eyes, that cute little cap, that vicious indifference.
Oh, well, it's an instinct, you know. I'm just naturally cold-blooded.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like my kids is cold. We don't break the code. We just make the code. But we don't make those. I'ma take a dose. I just wanna take a dose. Level up with me. Treat me, fuck with me. Call me dirty.